Meaning of divan bed.
Divan bed.
Divan bed.
Divan bed.
Divan bed. A divan bed is a type of bed that consists of a base with a mattress on top. Unlike other types of beds, the base of a divan bed is typically upholstered and can include drawers for storage. The word divan originally referred to a long seat or couch, and the design of the divan bed incorporates this idea of a comfortable place to relax. Divan beds are popular in smaller living spaces where storage solutions are important, as well as in hotels and guest rooms.